Good day. Today our topic is on anemia. Anemia adalah maksudnya kekurangan darah dalam badan. Okay. Anemia is a condition that develops when your blood produces a lower than normal amount of healthy red blood cells. So if you have anemia, your body does not get enough oxygen-rich blood. So the lack of oxygen can make you feel easily tired and weak. Okay, so that is very important. My main concern here is more about what food to take if you're having anemia. Okay, we just like to know the main cause of anemia. The main cause of anemia is too little iron in the body, cause the common type of anemia. Our bone marrow needs iron to make hemoglobin. So without enough iron, the body can't make enough hemoglobin for red blood cells. So it's just as simple as that. I'll try to make it as simple as possible. Okay, the symptoms, tanda-tanda, symptoms that you suspect someone having anemia or you yourself having anemia. Okay, number one, you feel tired and you feel weak easily, more often than usual, while you're at rest or with an exercise. Okay, and number two, you always get headache because your hemoglobin is low. And number three, problem concentrating. Okay, you can't think well. With a person with anemia can't think well. Okay, and number four, irritability. Irritability means very easily getting angry, emotionally and unstable. Okay, number five, loss of appetite. And number six, numbness and tingling of hands and feet. Okay, so those are the few symptoms that I can share with you. Okay, that you may ask, is anemia a serious problem? Yes, it is. If not treated, you're at risk of illness and infection. If your hemoglobin is low, you can easily get sick. It's as simple as that. Lack of iron affects the immune system, may increase your risk of developing complication that affects the heart and the lungs. It's such as causing tachycardia. Tachycardia means the heart beating very fast, okay, or heart failure. Okay, and our next concern is how do we prevent anemia? Okay, the number one is eating foods that are rich in iron, folate, vitamin B12, vitamin A, and other nutrients. Eating a healthy diet and taking iron supplements. Okay, so the next thing that you like to know and I like to share is what drink is good for a person with anemia. Prune juice is very high in iron. green juices, okay, uh, pea protein shakes, okay, and cocoa smoothie, and spinach, cashew nuts, and raspberry smoothie. Those are the recommended drinks for people with anemia. And the next one is foods that are best for people with anemia. Number one is, of course, red meat, pork and poultry. And number two, seafood. Number three, beans. Number four, dark green leafy vegetables. Example, spinach. Okay. Um, and dried fruits such as raisins and apricots. Okay. And iron fortified cereals, breads and pastries. Okay, that's written when you buy is there's iron there. Okay, peas and eggs. Eggs are very good uh, iron producing food. Okay, the next one, eat brown rice if possible. Change to brown rice. And lastly, eat dark chocolates. Okay, so those are the simple things, simple information I've shared with you about anemia. Okay, so before we go to our next topic of this discussion, I'd like you to like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel, Monica Lewinsky. Bye.